Rust-Oleum Leak Seal. Flexible rubber coating. I've used this several times before. What I like to do is I have a repurposed bench I made. Friend, neighbor, throwing this part away. It was a change lounge, and I added the legs to it. And I'm going to spray. I've used the same product in black a while ago. I'm going to spray clear in the bottom because this part is wood and this is recycled wood. This part could rot, so I always keep a rubber coating on the bottom so that the water can't penetrate up. You can see it's thick, just kind of lays there and hardens. Worked really well. I've used the black and the clear, and one thing, this stuff really works good on items that do not move or bend, like gutters, bottom of benches or chairs, walls. But if you're going to put it on something that was creaking, like, bending like a door area or folding chair, it's not going to work. It opens up on it. But as long as the thing you're putting on is relatively still, works great. This little crack here. Okay, we'll let that dry, see what happens. Really seal that well. Unless you can really layer it on and it's not going to move. This thing moved and it popped open. Good for roofing materials, gutters, downspouts, skylights, chimneys, awnings, flashings, PVC pipes, windowsills, ductwork, vent pipes, do-it-yourself products, and more. Basically, these are very fixed environments where there's not a lot of bending or any bending, and you're just sealing a gap, and that seal is not going to move either. And I think it worked really well. I've got these downspout little gardenettes, if you will, and this will do really well when you insert the new little corner where it was cut off. Seal that up, because that's not gonna. I'll probably put 2 coats. That's not going to move, and it'll make a nice bond.